That is insane. That is, oh my god, I can't even hear that. Good morning folks, welcome back to our vlog, Gills and Thrill. This is Hajjo, my partner Sandy. Let's take outside. I know we got a beautiful day outside today and love the weather. And the good news is guys, the restrictions on the lockdown is being eased, so we're gonna go out. Hey Javi.
Hey Nimrod.
Stop that. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna check out some shops and we got some work to do as well. So, huh? Where's Karen? Hi Karen as well. And stay with us. So guys, before we go, I want to show you something really quick. Recently changed the exhaust on my car and I want to show you guys and get your opinion what you think about it. Here she goes. Hear it? Wait for it. That is insane. That is, oh my god, I can't even hear that. That is insanely loud guys, insanely loud. And I'm pretty sure it's not legal, but we only did it for a couple of days and we're gonna check it out. We're trying out all sort of exhausts, everything. Damn it. No, wait. Way too loud. I think once we get back home, we're gonna change this one as well. So, no, really good. No, it's loud. I loved it. Absolutely beautiful. But I think I'm gonna end up changing it. So see how we go. Now we're gonna go to shops and be with us. Okay. So Sandy, we got another shop. So Sandy, what shop is this? It's Cardamom. She's at the shop and she doesn't even know what shop it is. It's Cardamom. So what are we shopping at here? I'm watching you. Licking? Oh, I like the shots. Guys, finally my kind of shop.
I like this one.
Yeah, I loved it. So nice varieties. Oh man, I'm a big fan of the heights. Loved it. Damn guys. Hey buddy, how are you? Oh, there you go. Damn, loved it. Hi. So guys, we are done with the shopping and we didn't make much of a video because it was crowded. It was getting so much crowded at the shopping center, but it was all good. It was not that bad, but still it was getting crowded because we were going towards the evening and all that. So we're just trying to get out of the rush hours. So it was all good. Liked it. Nice. Maybe in a week time we go back again. But right now we're gonna change the exhaust on this thing and I'm gonna put this video on the Hyperloop and see how we go. So guys, here we are now. We are finished doing it, and it wasn't a messy job. It took me about 15 minutes doing it, but it was nice. Loved it. So this is how it looks like right now. So she's gonna demonstrate a little bit. Just give me a second. So here we are, she's off. We're gonna watch her go. There was it. Right now it's not too much, it's just a sweet noise, like hits the spot, but it still needs a lot of work done, so we will be doing it like maybe next month, something like that. So it will be done, but right now it's beautiful sound and I love it. So the one before was this. I had them specially made out for the request. As you guys know, it was a bit too much, but it was lovely sound after all. Good experience, enjoyed it, and here she comes. Yes, the car does need some washing, inside and outside cleaning, and we will be getting into that soon. But all good for now. That's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, share, comment down below, and subscribe our channel, and do let us know in the comments how you like this video and what's your personal sound preferences.